Hello, in this video I want to show you how to begin screen recording on Logitech G Cloud Gaming. And to do this, we'll need to click and hold home button right here on the right side of our controller. Then there's a screen recording, click on it twice, and then you can choose to record your microphone sound if you like. You can leave it disabled if you like as well. Then click on start recording and it should begin to record your screen. Now to stop it, let's click and hold home button again. Then we can click right here and it will save this recording in the gallery automatically. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.